Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add a link to your Instagram bio. So in order to start, you need to click on this edit profile button in your profiles tab. Then once you click your edit profile button, under the bio, you can see this option which says add link. Click on this add link button and it will give you an option to add an external link. Click on this button and here you need to copy the exact URL of the website or the web page to which you want to redirect the user. So if I'll paste my website link here, and then you may put up any title if you want to. So for example, I'll put the title like this, and then what you can do is simply click on this tick mark icon at the top right corner, and once you have done this, the link will be successfully added to your bio. If you will go back here, you can see that the link has been successfully added into your bio. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.